how to use Finviz API. Follow my instructions. In this video, we'll explain how to use Finviz data like an API, even though Finviz doesn't officially offer one. First, go to finviz.com and open the Screener tab. Apply filters like market cap, RSI, or price to get your stock list. Now, if you have Finviz Elite, you can export the filtered results by clicking on the Export button. This gives you a CSV file, which you can load into Excel, Python, or any app, just like a PI data. If you don't have Elite, you can still access the data manually or use unofficial Python wrappers like Finviz or Finviz API. These tools can fetch stock data and news, but they're not made by Finviz, so use them carefully and responsibly. To use those wrappers, install them using pip, and write a simple Python script to pull stock data. We recommend checking their documentation for examples. While Finviz doesn't have an official API, using exports and Python tools can give you a PI-like control over Finviz data. Thanks for watching.